I just got to talk to you about blackness and what it means to be black. It becomes fake at a certain point. Well, she saw, or didn't see this video, rather. She saw the clip of our podcast circulating on Twitter, and the caption of that podcast clip was, "Is JoJo Siwa lying about being a lesbian for attention?" She responded to it, and she said, "I haven't watched this video yet, but if it has anything to do with your caption, respectfully, back the F off." That's what she said to me.
I'm going to smoke myself stupid
respectfully,
today.
no.
I ain't got shit to do.
You are obviously a cultural figure. You have tons of little girls that follow you. I am going to